The free Eye on the Reef app is an amazing tool for all visitors within the marine park if you're coming to the Whitsunday Islands and anywhere else throughout the Great Barrier Reef. If it's your first time visiting the Whitsundays, it is a great tool to download, not only to sight anything cool and interesting that you see whilst you're out there on the water, but it also helps you to understand where you are in amongst the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park and how to understand the zonings with the rules and regulations related to the Whitsundays Plan of Management. So the Eye on the Reef app is a free app which you can download on your phone, and the best thing about it is that it works out of phone service. Some of the functions of the Eye on the Reef app includes marine park zoning. Each zones have different rules for activities that can be allowed, the activities that are prohibited and the activities that are required by permit. Zones may also place restrictions on how many activities are conducted. Some of these zones include light blue, which is general use zone, dark blue, habitat protection zone, yellow, conservation park, green, marine national park, and others include pink, orange, olive green, and Commonwealth Island zones, which make up less than 5% of the marine park. Another function of the Eye on the Reef app, and the main function, is our sightings and facts function. Within this section of the app, you can upload a photo that you may have taken whilst you're out on the water, include what type of animal you've seen, what they were doing, where they may have been heading, and any cool characteristics that you may have seen that particular animal doing at that point in time. You can also report incidents to help protect the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park. Strandings, such as sick, injured or dead animals in the marine park. Marine pollution, like fueling and oil spills. And many other incidents which include coral bleaching, coral damage, coral spawning, crown of thorn starfish, and any marine debris that you may see. The last function of the app is general marine park information, which has many different phone numbers to help you report any incidents and suspected offences you may have witnessed whilst you're out in the marine park. Before you embark on your adventures throughout our iconic Whitsunday Islands, please remember there is 3 important things that you need to do. The first one is download the free Eye on the Reef app to keep up to date with all of those rules and regulations through our zoning. And of course, if you see anything cool out there, take a photo and upload it to that app. We want to know what's happening out and amongst our marine park every day at all times. So let us know what's going on to help us protect the reef for the future. The second thing you need to do is familiarise yourself with the Whitsundays Plan of Management. And thirdly, downloading the Recreational Guide to the Whitsundays. Both of these can be found on the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park website.